Boy, oh boy, yes! Foreign doctors are in demand and they can work in Norway. This is a question that we are getting all the time. They can if they satisfy certain conditions. But don't worry. I am Max from the Visa Library and I'm gonna talk about all of them in this video. So subscribe, like the video, and let's talk immigration to Norway as doctors. Watch this video till the end to get my special cheat sheet for this topic. Alright, right off the bat. Let's talk about the immigration process as doctors to Norway. Step 1. Medical qualification recognition. You usually have to apply to the Norwegian Directorate of Health to start your qualification recognition process. During this process, you must send your diploma and transcripts, a copy of your passport, proof of good understanding, and translate your documents if they're not in English or Nordic. The directorate will evaluate your qualifications. You never know, but they might ask you to take additional exams depending on your country of education. This process can take several months, so plan ahead and submit your applications in advance. Step 2. Learn the language. Really important. The minimum required CERF level is generally B2, and the possible tests to prove your language proficiency is here. Step 3. Apply for authorization and license. When you're done with recognition, apply to the Norwegian Directorate of Health for a license. Your application must include personal information and educational and professional experience. Documents like medical degrees, specialist training, work experience certificates, medical board or equivalent good standing certificates are all required. The directorate checks them to see if they meet the standards and comes up with a decision. It can take a while, so be patient. If everything is A-okay, then they will issue your license. Just let me add one thing. You might need to take a medical license exam. To see the name, you can look at here. It is typically given in Norwegian and covers a wide range of topics, including clinical medicine and surgery. All right, moving on. Step 4, job research. To find a job, you can use job searching websites, healthcare recruitment agencies. What else? You can visit the website of hospitals and apply directly. Step 5. Secure a work permit. If you're from outside of the EU or EEA, you'll need a work permit. Your employer often needs to provide documentation verifying the job offer and outlining the specifics of the position, salary, and working conditions. You, on the other hand, must apply to the Norwegian Directorate of Immigration or UDI. You can submit the application online. Hooray for you. It will require your professional information, your passport, the letter of job offer, evidence of your qualifications, and any other paperwork required by the UDI. Your work permit is typically granted for the duration of your job contract, and if you meet the requirements, you can renew your work permits. Step 6. Apply for a residence permit. It is important, especially for non-EU or EEA nationals. You can get it along with your work permit. Again, you must apply to the Norwegian Directorate of Immigration. And again, you can do it online. Submit your documents, including your passport and ID, your application form, your job offer and terms of employment, your professional qualifications, and other documents they ask for. Biometric information like a photo, fingerprint, and a signature are also needed. You can do it at the police station in your area or the Norwegian embassy. If your application is accepted, you can obtain a residence permit in Norway. In most cases, the validity of the permit will be extended for the duration of your employment. Moving on, step 7, integrate. Integrate into the Norwegian healthcare system. Try to learn about the Norwegian healthcare system, patient rights, and healthcare services and administrative procedures. If needed, participate in additional training. Open a bank account and get a place to stay. What else? Become familiar with the culture, customs, and public behavior and lifestyle. In addition, you can also participate in local and professional networks and join local clubs. Step 8, consider continuous education. Please try to stay updated with healthcare developments. You can join local medical associations, take relevant educational programs, and sign up for online courses and webinars to do this. Let's talk about job opportunities in Norway, shall we? Here, you can see a list of the top 10 jobs for doctors in Norway. Moving on to the medical residency in Norway. Foreigners can apply for medical residency in Norway if they are medical graduates who want to practice in Norway, medical professionals looking to advance their careers in Norway, doctors who don't speak Norwegian but want to learn it to work in the country, or doctors who are trying to specialize in a certain field through Norwegian residency. The Norwegian Director of Health must recognize your foreign medical degree before you can apply for residency in Norway. Norwegian proficiency, usually B2 level, is required. The residency requires 5 to 6 years of a specialized training. You must apply for a Norwegian medical license to practice independently after graduation. Let's talk about money. How much does a doctor make in Norway? Let's see. Newly graduated doctors can make from 500,000 to 600,000 NOK per year. On average, general practitioners earn between 800,000 and 1,200,000 NOK per year. Specialists earn from approximately 1 million to 2 million NOK or more annually. And finally, senior doctors with several years of experience can earn 2 million NOK annually or more. And that was it. Armed with this knowledge, you're ready to go. Thank you for joining us on this quest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow our social media accounts. Links are in the description. I also prepared a cheat sheet about this video. You can download it from our website. Again, link is in the description. Thank you all for watching.